What's up, YouTube? We're in the kitchen and we're literally cooking up right now. I'm making some banana pancakes, super easy with proteins. It's lately one of my favorite snacks, to be honest. It's basically a mashed banana and then adding 2 eggs with it, and then the secret sauce. Well, it's not a secret, but protein powder. Just 1 scoop. 1 big scoop like that. Add that in there. We have our proteins for today. About to make some pancakes. You guys should try it and send me a picture on Instagram. But yeah, it will look like little doughy type-ish thing. But you just gotta keep stirring it. That is done. All right, we're done. We are done. We got my coffee. We got this beautiful pancakes, and that looks gorgeous. All right, planning for the day. I wanna make a beat. This is a setup basically. Oh my days, look at that. So I kind of wanna make a beat, I think, in this setup, and then see what happens. But first, we're about to shred these pancakes. I feel like a music producer or anyone, like, getting in shape is one of the best things ever. I feel more confident, I feel more energized, just better in general, you know. The plan for this weekend is to film content, edit content, and also reach out to new clients for video editing or videography. Even social media possible, just depending on how much time I have and how many new clients we get in. But I'm trying to get to at least 10K a month. I think that's doable. We're almost there. It's July 25th right now, 2025. We have a 6-pack. We definitely are on the right track, but we can always improve, you know. This is fire as fuck. What if we use the looper from FL, but then we basically do like a different genre, you know? Just to like mix it together. Just mute the melody. I like this bounce. Kinda wanna use this J808.
me snitch, next little nigga stop lying. Talk that talk, my name, I'll live my life. Talk that chicken and shrimp, cut in my rice. Ain't this bitch come baby, I can make my wife. She won't lose her size, put my dudes on her eyes. Didn't catch girl, got him so smart, put him on the flight. I'm letting car, yeah, letting G see him in the night. Oh, man, that's why my jeans so tight. Tripping on lanes, don't think you really wanna ride. I'm gonna want know you none of my kind. I see some made whites ain't wasting my time. We ain't got time. I try my demons out in my mind. Run around town with a bad ass bitch. Seeing dang. All these niggas they got right here. They stay lying. We ain't got time. I try my demons out in my mind. Run around town with a bad ass bitch. Seeing dang. All these niggas they got right here. They stay lying. My bitch fine. You ain't lying. My bitch bang. These niggas been bang. I'ma down keep bang. These hoes be bang. These niggas be bang. Bitch on the bone. Got a bitch in the line right now. Said she got money. I drop my demons out in my mind. Run around town with a bad ass bitch. They stay lying. Hope I see some bitch keep calling my line. Not like me, snitch, next little nigga stop lying.
That's hard. I like this. That was a warm-up beat, to be honest. Took like, I think 40 minutes now to make this, which is decent. I like the drums. The new feature from FL Studio is also solid. I feel like the percussion really adds on. It's like something different, you know. I try to not always make the same shit. For example, this right here, I sampled Clams Casino. Like lately I've been just trying to make different type shit, but this is super fire in my opinion. I get more excited from this type of shit, bro. To be fair. Woo, that's crazy. Anyways, this was a video. Hope you guys been taking care of yourselves. Hope you guys been enjoying life. I don't know, I'm in a position right now where it's like a lot going on, to be honest, and also nothing. I don't know what it is. It's just like in a middle phase, if that makes sense. But love you guys. Make sure check my Instagram. Make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. Love you guys. See you guys in the next vlog /video /talk /good vibes and energy. Peace.